Chapter 5, Sloka 24. Yuntas Sukontara Ramaha. Yuntas Sukontara Ramaha. Yuntas Sukontara Ramaha. Tathantarjyotirevayah. 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 योऽन्तः सुकोऽन्तरा रामः तथान्तर्ज्योतिरेव यः 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 स योगी ब्रह्मनिर्वाणम् स योगी ब्रह्मनिर्वाणम् स योगी ब्रह्मनिर्वाणम् ब्रह्मभूतोऽधिगच्छति 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 स योगी ब्रह्मनिर्वाणम् 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 ब्रह्मभूतोऽधिगच्छति योऽन्तः सुकोऽन्तरा रामः तथान्तर्ज्योतिरेव यः स योगी ब्रह्मनिर्वाणम् ब्रह्मभूतोऽधिगच्छति.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.